Hello, you guys, and welcome back to the weekly update. I'm getting loads of questions about this, so I'm just going to address it right now, and that is the interest rates. What are we looking at in terms of interest rates? Well, I am here to update you on that right now. So, interest rates have been between 5.25 and 5.50 ever since last July. So it's been stagnant. So buyers, sellers, of course, there's so much activity happening now, as I covered in my last video. Like thousands of homes are being sold a day. But people have been waiting on the sidelines, understandably, for the interest rates to drop. And when there is going to be the slightest drop, all those people are going to they can't wait anymore. They're going to flood the market. And so what did the Fed update us on recently? Now, the interest rates have been where they are at for a year, okay? Earlier this year, there was talks that there were going to be 3 cuts throughout the rest of 2024. Well, the Feds got together and they have made it, if you look here, to 1 cut. Now, that 1 cut is still a cut, and that will trigger people to come into the market. It'll open up a little bit. People can only wait for so long, and you can't wait. You know, life is so limited. You can't wait forever to make a move. So I want to give you guys an update on where we are at. Like I said, we're selling stuff right now, and we have ways to get around the interest rates, whether it's pricing, whether it's terms, conditions, the type of loan you'll get. Our job is to make sure that the industry does not stop no matter what, and we're doing a pretty darn good job about it. So, how are we looking? There are 4 more meetings left for the Fed to meet, and that is going to be July, September, November, December. Now, economists are hoping that the July meeting, which will be July 30th and 31st, we will see a cut. Now, that is very wishful thinking, okay? The thing about what I'm going to say next is that these are all just projections. So they tabulate it kind of like a bet, like it's a percentage prediction. And if I go down here, we got September slips away. So I'm going to ruin the big surprise. Economists think that the cut is going to happen in September. Okay? But it's a prediction. Okay? We don't have a crystal ball. So I'm just going to read this word for word. The better than expected inflation data earlier Wednesday led futures traders to raise their expectations of an interest rate cut by mid-September to more than 70%, up sharply from around 50% on Tuesday. But the Fed's rate decision tempered the optimism slightly, with traders dialing back their expectations to just over 60%. So traders, economists, all of them, the Vegas odds are that slightly above 60% chance that there will be a cut in September. Now, July is not totally forsaken. I think July, they are putting it at a 10% possibility that that's when the cut will be. But it's gotta be, I shouldn't say gotta, but I'm thinking September for a couple reasons. One, it's a good time to do it based off the job reports. And 2, we gotta stop waiting. Like it's gonna be September or never. So we're looking at maybe an opening up here pretty soon. Regardless, I have your best interest in mind, so call me if you want to make a move earlier. Some people are taking advantage, and I can explain to you why, of the high interest rates, while others are kept out of the market. I explained it in the last video why. But yeah, just wanted to update you guys on that. And again, I'm available by phone at any time, any day of the week. So this is Charles Frank, and I am signing off. Thank you.